Avant d'eux, regardez la vidéo, likez la vidéo et abonnez-vous à la chaîne.
Since the fall of Geese Howard, the city of Southtown has never been the same. Its people have grown complacent, and once fearsome warriors roam the streets like stray dogs. And though his legacy remains here in my keeping, it does so with no heir apparent. If there are any left in Southtown with fangs that bite, with claws that tear, with the ruthlessness and undying spirit of a true warrior, come to King of Fighters. Who will inherit the legacy of the fallen Emperor? Let the last wolves of this city determine that for themselves. Stroheim. Nobody would have guessed that world-class DJ Salvatore Ganacci had a secret. Namely, that he was also a martial artist. As it turned out, his biggest hits always seemed to be inspired by the thrill of the fight. One day, Salvatore was challenged to a street fight by Duck King, a skilled brawler and dancer in his own right. As the two seasoned performers found each other's rhythm, they also found friendship, and all before exchanging a single word. It was Duck that introduced Salvatore to King of Fighters, a martial arts tournament where only the bravest and mightiest of warriors gather. In need of inspiration for even more epic music, Salvatore Ganacci takes the stage.
I am invincible!
Round one, get ready, fight!
That's for the books, folks! Here we go! Here we go! Here we go! Here we go! Shattering!
Punch!
Shattering! Yeah! Bam! Must have hurt for the children! Here we go! It's over! Here we go! I failed you! A stunning performance on both sides!
That'll do for today.
Round two, get ready, fight!
Active time bomb!
You ready? Got him right!
Suck!
Freestyle! Freestyle!
Achilles! And wait!
Hear that? Sounds like victory!
What a fight! Salvatore
Wins!
Your moves are like a sublime, soothing march. I just want to get up and step. Come on, hit it!
Welcome to my lab. I'll be recording all of this. So give me everything you've got.
Round 1. Get ready. Fight SPG.
Yeah. Here goes. Not done with you. Here goes. Right there. Yeah, right there.
Why punish? Here we go. Salvatote wins.
I love you guys!
Round 2. Get ready. Fight SPG.
Listen up! To my groove! Pump it! Love is all you need. Nice.
Here goes.
Here we go. Here we go. Salvatore wins.
What do you think the Salvatore and Salvatore Ganacci means? Think on that.
I suppose meditation will have to wait. All right, I'll take you on.
Round 1. Get ready. Fight SPG.
Just one more.
Here it is. Here we go.
Shattering!
Here it is.
Gotta love her! Shattering!
You're good. Here we go. Is that all you got?
You ready?
You again. Just what about this? Salvatore wins.
That'll do for today.
Round 2. Get ready. Fight SPG.
Shattering! 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 Listen up!
You're mine.
Shattering!
Connected.
Shattering!
Connected. Just warming up.
Shattering!
Not good enough. Here we go.
Nice beat!
Here we go. Cool down. Here we go.
amazing!
Wins! Final round. Get ready. Fight SPG.
Gotta counterattack!
You're mine!
You're good!
Salvatore, win!
There's something about you that kind of reminds me of myself. What conditioner do you use?
Bring it on! I'm the only one who decides my fate.
Round one. Get ready. Fight SPG.
Tackle! Tackle! Damn you! And Lucan!
Here we go.
Tackle!
Salvatore, win! I love you guys! Round two. Get ready. Fight SPG.
Tackle! Tackle!
Gotta love it.
No escape!
Win.
You can do better than that.
Final round. Get ready. Fight SPG. Shattering. Listen up. Get down. To my groove. Pump it. Love it.
I can teach you how to dance, sure, but not how to push past your suffering. How will you find harmony within hardship? Looking forward to seeing for myself one day.
You're just another cameo in the Legend of Joe!
Round 1. Get ready. Fight as PG.
Hurricane!
Here we go. Salvatore wins. I love you guys. Round 2. Get ready. Fight as PG.
Keep dreaming!
Shattering.
Not done yet! Flank kick! Flank kick! Not have that! Not done yet!
That?
Salvatore.
That's sweet music. Your uppercuts can form hurricanes? That's so intense. Note to self, add Hurricane B-roll to next music video.
Yo! You made it to the finals. Oh, but watch out. This little lady's not gonna make it easy for you.
Well, if it isn't Duck King. And I'm guessing that's my opponent?
Yup. Meet Salvatore Ganacci. He's a musician.
A musician? But then he... Just how did he make it to the finals then?
Hey, come on, man. He's a fighter too, obviously.
Right. Okay. And if he's in the finals, I guess he can't be a pushover.
You got that right. And check this out. Yo, Ganacci, tell her what you hear, man.
Let me see. The pitter-patter of near-silent steps. The rustling of fabric against a small collection of folding fans. But above all the clamor and din, a fiery, feverish pulse. You are a master of flame ninjutsu.
Hey, Ganacci's the real deal. You got nothing to worry about, baby.
Well then, I guess I can forget about going easy on you. But know this, it takes more than a keen ear to crack the secrets of the Shiranui.
A tango with a ninja, huh? How novel. All right, give me all you got.
Yeah, these are the kind of fights I live for.
Now, let's get this show on the road.
Round 1. Get ready. Fight as PG.
Hadouken!
Nice beat!
Now you've done it! Hey! Can you dodge this? Hadouken!
Here we go!
Hey!
Here we go!
Shattering! Can you dodge this?
Here we go!
Wait!
Round 2. Get ready. Fight SPG.
You'll pay for that.
Nice beat!
What?
Shattering! Shattering!
Can you dodge this?
Shattering! Overheat! You hear that? Sounds like victory!
What? Hey!
9. Salvatore wins! I love you guys! Final round! Get ready! Fight SPG! Going down!
Now you've done it. Not done yet.
Shattering! You're mine!
You'll pay for that. Can you dodge this?
Here we go! Salvatore wins!
I can't believe those flames are real. Enlighten me. Just how are you doing that? Incredible. That stillness and fluidity. Ninjutsu is its own kind of music. This is giving me some ideas for my next music video.
Hey, yo, Ganacci, real quick before you go and work your magic. You know, I've got someone else over here that I've just been dying for you to meet.
Yo, Duck. You wanted me to say hi to a friend of yours?
Allow me to introduce Terry Bogard, the best rival a guy could ask for. My rival specifically. Not to mention the King of Fighters champ, too, if you couldn't tell.
Now here's a one-of-a-kind melody. He certainly lives up to his reputation, doesn't he? A past filled with hardship, yet he remains an optimist. The sound of his soul, it's like a symphony.
Ganacci is a musician by trade, Terry. He tracks his opponent's movements by sound, if you can believe it. I actually just found out the hard way.
By sound? That's wild. Never fought anybody like that before.
Piqued your interest, huh? I thought it might. I wanted you to meet because I figured you'd want a piece of it.
You figured right. Hey, Ganacci, is it? Wanna dance?
Why, I thought you'd never ask. Together, we will write a soaring melody.
Round 1. Get ready. Fight SPG. Shattering. Shattering. Got you. Yeah. SPG. Take this!
Got him?
Not done yet.
Rock you! Salvatore wins! I love you guys! Round 2. Get ready. Fight SPG!
Close one.
Nice. You hear that? Sounds like victory! Salvatore wins!
The steady heartbeat of the noble wolf. I too can feel its rhythm. At last, inspiration has struck. Quickly, someone bring me my laptop.
That's incredible. You really can hear every sound I make, huh?
No, you're incredible, Terry. The music of your fists was the song of a man living life to the fullest. You can't sample that sound.
Yo, Ganacci, what do you think? Coming to Southtown wasn't such a bad idea, huh?
It sure wasn't. These matches have set every cell in my body aflame. I burn with inspiration. I could write a song right now, give shape to all these new ideas.
Hey now, you okay, buddy?
What's gotten into him?
Well, when creative types get hit with a great idea, it's like nothing else matters. Probably happening right now.
Right. It's a bummer I can't read music. Hey, Duck, is it any good?
Quiet, Terry. Let him concentrate.
Reach the conclusion and boom! I haven't felt a burst of inspiration like that in some time. Feast your eyes, Duck. You can see it, right?
Wait. Whoa! This is genius! You know, I've been in the scene my whole life. Nobody's got your passion.
Thank you, Duck. And thank you, Terry. This composition is but the ash left behind by the flames of combat.
It's nothing. You're the one who wrote it.
But we're happy you're happy.
And hey, Ganacci, when you get around to shooting a video for this one, try to remember your old pal Duck, alright?
How could I not? After all, a sonic landscape such as this can only be paired with a master of movement.
Yeah!
This is gonna set the world on fire!
Where's Andy? He'll want to hear this.